Hi, everybody. We're going into our fourth week of at home learning. I hope each and every one of you are enjoying your time with your family, and we're going to go right into working with word problems with addition and subtraction and reviewing problems with money. So let's get started. So today we're looking at word problems with addition and subtraction that either have one step or two step problems. Today, my example comes from the Think Up book on page 121, and I am doing number 4. It says, on Saturday, the Keenan family spent $384 for admission tickets to a theme park. They paid $197 for meals and bought souvenirs for $248. How much money did the Keenan family spend on Saturday? So they want to know how much money did they spend Saturday. So I have to go back and look for the information that is important. On Saturday, the Keenan family spent $384. So they spent $384 on tickets. And then they paid $197 for meals. And then they bought souvenirs. Souvenirs are like toys or posters or stuffed animals that can be used to help remember. So it says, how much money did the Keenan family spend? So if they spent $384, they spent $197, and they spent $248, then we're going to add all of that to find how much they spent in all. Right here, 4 plus 7 is 11. 11 plus 8 more, 19. So we're going to carry the 1 to the tens place. 9, 10 plus 8 is 18. Plus 4 more is 22. 22. 3 plus 2 is 5. Plus 1 more, 6. Plus 2 more, 8. Let me do that again. 3 plus 2 is 5. Plus 1 more, 6. Plus 2 is 8. So if you notice, I'm focused over here first. I did not look at my answers until I solved it over here. Now I'm going to go back and look at my answers to see which one matches $829. So my answer is not this one, 729, 819, and my answer is J, $829. The next problem we're going to do is in our Think Up book, page 141. And this is the review of money. Now remember, whenever we're looking at coins, we need to recognize the front and the back of the coins. This problem is number 2 on page 141. Luke paid for a soda with these coins. How much did Luke pay? So we want to know how much he paid in all. So remember, we talked about the hairy money as the strategy. You learned it in 2nd grade. So this is a nickel, so this is 1 hair. This is a dime, so it gets 2 hairs. This is a quarter, 1, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. This is a penny. This is a nickel. And this is a quarter, the back of a quarter. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. And this was the back of a nickel. So now I'm going to count all of the hairy strands by 5. Let's start here. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70. 70 cents. Plus my 1 cent. And remember, when we're writing 1 cent, we put the 0. So 71 cents in all. So my answer here is F. I hope this helped you. If you would like to have more practice, you can look at your Think Up book on page 141 and do some more practice problems. Esta semana estaremos practicando problemas de suma y resta de un paso o de dos pasos. El ejemplo que vamos a hacer ahorita tiene múltiples pasos. Eso quiere decir que puede ser dos pasos o más. Dice, un estadio de fútbol americano tiene dos longitudes laterales de 300 pies de largo y dos longitudes laterales de 160 pies de ancho. José trota a vuelta redonda por las 4 esquinas del estadio. ¿Qué distancia trota? ¿Quieren saber qué tan lejos, qué es la distancia que trota? Dice, un estadio de fútbol americano tiene dos longitudes laterales de 300 pies de largo. Eso quiere decir, vamos a decir 300 pies aquí, 300 pies acá de este lado. Y dos longitudes laterales de 160 pies de ancho. De ancho. José trota a vuelta redonda por las 4 esquinas. Entonces, si él empieza aquí, va a correr todos los lados. Entonces, ¿qué es la distancia que trota? Entonces, si quieres saber si él empieza aquí, va a correr toda la distancia alrededor. Eso quiere decir que va a ser 300 más 300. Son 600. 160 más 160. Vamos a sumar estos números. 0 y 0, 0. 6 más 6, 12. 1, 2, 3. Ahora vamos a sumar 320 con 600. 0 más 0, 0. 0 más 2, 2. 6 más 3, 9. Entonces la respuesta en total son 920 pies. También esta semana vamos a revisar problemas con dinero. El ejemplo que vamos a usar viene del volumen 1, página 135. Una cajera le devuelve a cambio a un cliente. Ella le entrega 2 billetes de $1, una moneda de 25 centavos, una moneda de 10 centavos y 3 monedas de 1 centavo. ¿Cuánto es el cambio? Entonces, quieren saber cuánto le regresó al cliente. Vamos a leer de nuevo. Ella le entrega 2 billetes de $1. Son 2 billetes de $1. Una moneda de 25 centavos. Una moneda de 10 centavos. Y 3 monedas de 1 centavo. Ahora, aquí voy a sumar los billetes primero. $1 más $1 me da $2. Ahora aquí con el dinero. Si recuerdan, cuando estábamos contando el dinero en clase, usamos unos pelillos para contar por 5 en 5. 25, 5, 10, 20, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. 10 centavos, 5, 10. Ahora, cuando solamente hay un centavo, nomás le ponemos un pelillo chiquito. Entonces, aquí en los pelillos les vamos a contar de 5 en 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38. Entonces $2 más 38 centavos, 0 más 8, 0 más 3, el decimal, y son $2. En total le regresó el cambio de $2 con 38 centavos.